Hi, this is Anthony from Engine Management Academy. I'm going to be running a series of videos showing you some of the project cars that we use on our courses. This particular one is a Suzuki Hayabusa turbo kit car. We've got a very high-spec motorsport ECU supplied by Syvex, and it's running drive-by-wire. It's capable of running traction control, launch control, knock control, anti-lag. I'm going to be going through in more detail and in other videos those functions and how they work. And in this video clip I'm just going to give you an overview of the car, show you the turbo kit, show you around the engine and show you how it was put together. So here's the engine. It's a Suzuki Hayabusa engine, 2007, so K7. I've rebuilt this engine with forged internals, so it's Wisner rods, pistons, uprated studs, uprated oil gear, adjustable cams, basically what needed to be done to be able to get it to 500 brake horsepower. Here's the turbo kit, fabricated out of stainless. It's all been TIG'd. We've got the air intake filter there going straight into the turbo, which is a GT3076. You can see we've got insulated water and oil lines. The oil drain goes straight into the dry sump at the bottom, right into one of the galleys that's being scavenged. Then we've got 3-inch back from the turbo going straight into the exhaust, and that's 3-inch all the way back. Teal wastegate, wideband lambda sensor, and also we've got EGT sensor up there in the collector. And as you can see, everything's as straight and as free-flowing as I could possibly get it. Looking down on the side of the vehicle, you can also see that we've got nothing hanging out the side of the car, so if we do put the side panel back on, everything's all enclosed. Here's the plenum. We've got a Nissan 350Z throttle body at the front, so that's drive-by-wire. Then moving back, we've got 1000cc injectors, and they're fed by a Bosch 4.4 fuel pump. I removed the throttle bodies, took the decision to do that early on, primarily because the drive-by-wire will allow the ECU to run a lot more features, and we'll be going through those in later videos. So moving on to the back here, we've got obviously the battery, then fuel pressure regulator, water header tank, catch can, and dry sump tank. I've just removed the nose cone so you can see what's going on under there. We've got the intercooler, followed by the radiator. There's also a couple of ballasts there because we're running headlights. There's a oil cooler, and then you can see the pipework coming from the turbo around the intercooler and then back into the plenum. So I hope you've enjoyed the brief intro video on this project car. I'll follow it up with a video on optimising the drive-by-wire, showing you how you can get the best possible throttle response. I'll also cover the water pump, basically showing you how you can drive it with a PWM signal to run a low flow rate when the engine's cold, and then ramp that up with the engine temperature. We'll cover anti-lag and launch control, and we'll do a bit on traction control as well. If there's any other topics you want me to go through, perhaps leave any questions in the comments section and we'll do what we can to answer them.